nag-aaway sa DOH. Also, love yourself, we had to fight 7 years ago.
Uy, face to face.
Wala ka
To the character of Marvin, bakit sad boy siya at the end, anak? Parang hindi siya nagkatharsis. Di ba? Sad boy siya at the end, hindi siya nagkatharsis unlike the other two characters. May sequel ba to?
Hello po. Paano po sad boy? What is sad boy? Lumpia na. Siguro ano po, babalik tayo dun sa reality pa din kasi sobrang gusto ni Marvs yung ginagawa niya before as a motivator pero hindi yun kaya i-sustain yung ano niya, ang kanyang way of life, ang kanyang family. So, kumuha siya ng isang trabaho na hindi necessarily gusto but in order to live. So, kung ikaw nakasalubong mo yung dati mong client and you saw him doing well, yung parang for him, na-remind yun sa kanya na ito, hindi kaya ako to ginagawa. So there was joy in that, but it's very, very bittersweet. And he was asked, kailan ka ulit babalik? And
That's why you sad boy.
yeah. Yes.
More important topic or to hash and love yourself. See how to take care of your volunteer.
Yes.
We spent so much sending these reports in Paris. Oh, you know that. Pero yung mga volunteers na ito na naman. Ito na naman.
I agree.
My mouth. Not my mouth.
I
Ay, sa character, okay. I get it. I get it.
Thank you. And yes, I agree. Yung alagaan natin ng ating volunteers kasi bukod sa yung sa numbers, ganyan. Di ba yung sinabi kanina na bago sila maging volunteer din, tao rin sila. And a huge part of why the team, we did this film is to tell us the story of volunteers also na sila, nandito sila, handa sila maging bukas para sa mga nangangailangan ng company, ng tulong, ng paggabay. Pero, who's got the volunteers' backs? Diba? So, mas yun din yung gustong i-touch on. One of the major things na gusto i-touch on nung pelikula. So, hindi naman siya super sad boy. Siguro, it's bittersweet. Pero, because, yun nga, something very important to him was lost. And, pero meron pa rin, andun din yung hope eh. Kasi sabi niya soon, we don't know when, but he's bound to be back because it's his calling. So, yun na po.